For our HCI Masters project, we partnered with Welcoming Atlanta, an organization out of the mayor's office that supports immigrants in the metro Atlanta area. Since the onset of COVID-19, Welcoming Atlanta has organized food distributions and rental relief assistance. A significant number of their constituents were impacted by the pandemic, many of whom are facing eviction as a result of lost income. Welcoming Atlanta approached us with a request for technical solutions to help community members access information on tenants' rights and anti-eviction resources to help prevent their eviction.
Our solution to this opportunity space is Mi Casa, Mis Derechos, which translates to My House, My Rights. Mi Casa, Mis Derechos is a Spanish-language website that visually communicates tenants' rights and resources through a series of illustrated stories. The solution helps the user discover available resources and their basic tenant rights, and understand how they can take immediate action to protect themselves and their home. Welcome to the homepage of Mi Casa, Mis Derechos. The home screen explains the functionality of the web page and guides the user to the story mode. First, let's click on Go to the Stories. On this page, we're able to pick from various scenarios that we may be going through. Let's read what to do when we receive an eviction notice. Before jumping into the story, we see an overview of the upcoming narrative. This lets us read about the core steps of the story, as well as organizations and resources that we can use. Clicking the arrow brings us into story mode, the crux of the application. This particular story is about a woman named Maria who is responding to an eviction notice that was left on her door. The user engages with the story by reading the scrolling text and observing the visuals in the background. Let's go to the next step in the story. In this step, Maria contacts a volunteer law foundation in Atlanta named AVLF. Tapping the highlighted text here brings up a tooltip, which provides additional information on the resource and how the user can contact them. Once the user has finished the story, they'll have learned how the protagonist Maria dealt with the eviction notice and have access to the same local resources that she used. With this information, the user can replicate Maria's actions to get the help they need and protect themselves from eviction. Thanks so much for listening about our work with Welcoming Atlanta and our master's project.